In today's video, I am going to teach you how to time track on Monday.com with 7pace Timetracker. Start by opening your Monday.com board and locating the item you want to track time against. In this example, we are using a simple board with an item named Item 1. Go to the board where that item lives, and then click directly on Item 1 to open it. This brings up the Item Details panel, which is where you can add views and apps that connect to this specific item. Next, look for the area in the item panel where you can access more options. Click the highlighted menu area, and then choose Explore More Views. This is where Monday.com lets you browse additional views and integrations you can attach to an item, including time tracking tools. Once the Explore More Views area is open, click into the search field and type the name of the view or app you are looking for. In this case, you will type 7pace Timetracker, so it appears in the results. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct option, especially if multiple time tracking tools show up. When you see 7pace Timetracker in the list, click Add to Item. This attaches the 7pace time tracking view to the item, so you can log time specifically for this work. After you add it, you may see a prompt or a workspace selection related to your account access. Select the appropriate account or workspace option shown on screen to continue. If the same account name appears more than once, choose the one that matches your current Monday.com workspace. Now move through the remaining highlighted areas in the item view to reach the time entry section. This is where you will enter the amount of time you worked. Click into the time field and enter the duration exactly as needed. In this walkthrough, the value is set to 4 hours, shown as 4H. Finally, click Save. Saving is important because it confirms the time entry and ensures it is stored with the item. After you save, you should see the logged time reflected in the 7pace view for that item. That covers everything you need to know.